Hey Traeger Nation, it's Chad Ward, Whiskey Mint Barbecue, and today I'm going to show you how to wrap briskets two ways: butcher paper and foil. Let's get started. All right, now we've got our butcher paper laid out. We're going to grab our brisket. It's around 165, 170 degrees, and we're just going to roll this. So what I'm trying to do is I want to wrap this brisket as uniform and as tight as possible. So I'm just going to bring it in and go with a little bit of a diagonal and keep it really nice and tight. A lot of the reasons people like butcher paper is because your bark is going to maintain a lot better than with foil, because the butcher paper allows the brisket to breathe. And then we're going to take these corners and tuck it under there, and then tuck it under right there. And now that's a nice tight brisket that's ready to go back on the Traeger. All right, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to wrap this brisket in foil. One thing to remember about when you're wrapping in foil is it's going to cook quicker than if you're wrapping in paper. That's because you're going to create all that steam, have it in there, it's just going to cook quicker. So I'm just going to take, I got 2 rolls of foil here. I'm just going to get this nice and tight. Wrap there. And then come over here on the point end. Wrap there. Make sure it's good and tight. And then we're going to put this back on the grill, fat side down. Now you've got your 2 methods of wrapping brisket: paper, foil. I'm a foil guy, but that decision's up to you. Whatever you prefer, whatever yields you the best product, these are your options.